It's another unboxing of a model kit that I intend to do very soon. Hi guys, Retro Track Ralph here with this is an unboxing, and I've got the camera not zoomed in properly. Right, another unboxing of a model kit that I want to do pretty soon. I get model kits and I kind of sit on them for a while until I'm in the mood to do it, and I really need to get on with them. The other Space 1999 model I need to do is this one. Looking forward to doing it. It's just, I've had this for years. Just hope I don't have this for years. Now, this is the Commlock and stun gun. Anybody who's watched Space 1999 will know exactly what this is. This is like the communicator. This is like the stun gun, the phaser, so shall we say. But so different designs. You've got a video screen on top of here, keypad, frequency thing, and it can do loads of things. Like it is supposed to be a communicator and lock, as in a key for your doors. But I've got some really good plans specifically for this one, and this is a model kit, and I was looking, and I was too late to find the, I think it is the 1812 version, which is massively expensive, and they've only made 1,000 of them, and they are so well detailed and already with electrics inside. So yeah, I wanted one of those. Not a chance, not a prayer. So my next best thing is this. The best thing about with the 1812 is somebody put technical diagrams online. So for this, it's going to be so easy to do and put the right LEDs on here and the right resistors. And if I can stick a picture in here round about now, then I will do. This is the diagram of what I need to do to lay this out. Switch on top of that. If that's a sliding switch, brilliant. And that's a push switch. I can retrofit that into making a proper lit model, which is what I like to do anyway. So we have Martin Landau and Barbara Bean. Yes. Commander Koenig and Dr. Russell. Get in there. So yeah, I've already just finished watching the series anyway. It is a really good series. There's some strange, oddball little episodes. But this is yet another NPC model, which is the same as what I've already got with the Eagle. So I wouldn't mind doing the Eagle, where it actually, instead of doing it just the transporter, but I could put pods on and make it into all of the different types. If not, I'll buy another one, and then another one, because there's about 4 or 5 different variants. So, yes, just under there. What's 206? I think this is part of the decal sheet on here. So yeah, we have where it kind of like says Commlock, but I can backlight it. I was actually thinking of maybe getting in touch with somebody at Dan's Model Universe to potentially see if you can do something with that. Put my picture on there and then my commander status. It would be more interesting to do that than just have here's a boys, here's a girls, that's it. So yeah, if I could get in touch with him, I might do that. But on the front, it makes a lot of different screens. You could probably put a screen in there if you wanted to. There are tiny screens out, but I think that's well beyond my electrical doodads. So let's have a look. This is the first time I've opened this. Obviously, you've seen it with the shrink wrap on. Box lid off. Okay. So everything bagged as it should be. Some clear parts there, which look like, I don't know. What are instructions in here? Yes, there's a big wad of instructions and some tons of decals which will go through. So we've got plenty of already sprayed silver parts, which look like they're for the bottom of the Commlock part there. I don't know, might even be for, yeah, it's nice that they're already silvered. And to be honest, we're looking at the colours, it's more of a beige Commlock, which that does like it. No, that's the yeah, the silver stun gun. So this is the Commlock. So it's all kind of almost in the right colour, the Commlock, but not exactly. It's almost in one piece, so I can have it like that, and then I can put the stuff inside it. Maybe put some sort of keypad behind if it's just the buttons. That's what they are. So they are actual clear buttons, unless it's those. Yeah, it'll be those, won't it? Actually, there are other buttons around the Commlock as well, so these may be, so the bigger ones, little ones, bigger ones. So yeah, they are potentially, I could get some sort of membrane and put some sort of resistance, so it'll be like pressing a button on it. But I definitely want to light this one from behind to make the top part light up. Okay. So looks like we've got a bag for Commlock, bag for stun gun, bag for clear parts. They're like clear parts for the Commlock. Silver parts, I think. Those are the emitters for the lasers, because I think the way the show, I think it either was or it wasn't. I think there was one setting, so the top one lit up red. If you look on the picture, that one lit up red for kill, and these three lit up blue for, I think it was for stun. Could be different, could be completely different. They might just be one of the ones I saw in that specific episode. I mean, red, yellow, green, blue would potentially, for me, mean different lasers for different strengths, if that is to do with that. Might be press that and that's the setting, set into it, and then off you go. Fire from the bit on top, 'cause it's like a hand grip. So not much to this, shall we say. Let's have a look at the instructions. See, these, I'm sure, I've never seen this model kit before. So it looks like you make the stun gun first. We have the switch on top. If it's a sliding switch, I need to find how to mount it. It probably actually is. Choose between switches or blank plate option. Okay. So it's quite easy to put some sort of switch behind that to make that go from stun to kill, which was the option for it. Putting stuff on there, gluing. I will definitely, with it being as it is, I can, and I think they've already possibly maybe made it already so you could put LEDs in here. That'll be interesting. Okay. Cool. And the other one, Commlock. Yeah, you've got the parts there. It looks very easy to fit and mount, but also very easy to make it static. But I want to make this more usable. Whether or not it means cutting out every single one of these and then putting a membrane behind, so we can at least get some sort of resistance and pressability on it, instead of it pressing and going through. It's a easy option for me to do, I think, because I have got plenty of parts for things. An old remote control would be perfect for this. So I'm going to look at that. So part on the top here, the screen goes. Belt, yeah, because that's the belt clip as well, so it would stay where it was. That's the decal you put on, decal, whatever, for whatever type you want. I'm actually looking into this one. I like the stickers. So what do we have? Okay, so we have the 4 here for the Commlock. So you can have it look like you're talking to Commander Koenig, and they've actually got the scan lines on there, well, interference lines, and look, talking to the Doctor, or you're talking to some sort of alien, or you're talking, yes, the Commlock's turned on. Kill and stun switch, kill and stun, other different coloured buttons, so I haven't got to paint them exactly the right colour. Different numbers, because Commander Koenig's was number 1, and different ones for different other people. But I can also have either on the side of it, it's keyed to this person, this person. This is what I won't mind getting somebody to make me a custom, yeah, custom decal for. Would be more interesting to see. I don't know what the ranking on here. Commander, I mean, she's a doctor, whether or not she's different department. Doc's in the same place, I do too. So yeah, it's not a massive decal sheet, but you've got the radio frequency as well. Medium, 84-bit D, 88.4-bit D. So it's sort of like radio frequency. Gold, Etika. Like there's some sort of frequency for something. I'm not a radio ham engineer or fan, so I don't know. Answer in the comments if you know exactly what those frequencies all are about. Thank you. So yeah, I am definitely looking forward to doing this one, and I want to get on with it and do this one, but this is just an unboxing for the time being. So if you're looking to buy one of these, and they are still around, these have been around for a few years, but you can still grab hold of them. That yeah, it is potentially get one. I got this one from eBay, from a model shop somewhere else in England. But yeah, it's gonna be fun to do this, and potentially a good cheaper version than the 1812. I think I'm sure it's 1812 version, which would have been absolutely amazing to have. Not got the money, and there aren't any stock anywhere. So nice. I'm gonna get on with that as soon as I can. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Consider being a patron to help me out every month. Consider a donation, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.